click on explore, you can see their visit visa. Just click on apply visit visa and then you can see new visa. So just select new visa there and just select your nationality. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to apply Dubai visa through BOTIM app. So BOTIM is an app which is available in Play Store and Apple Store. So you can easily download it from your mobile like any other application. And I had made a video previously on how to apply Dubai visa through Make My Trip, which a lot of you people said you're not able to get the proper customer service, or there is no proper contact number to reach out to them, and there is only emails and they are also not responding to the emails, and that is because of high volume, because now tourism has kick-started again and a lot of Indians are traveling to Dubai. Dubai is one of the famous destinations like Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia or Sri Lanka. Dubai, there's a lot of visitors to Dubai every single day. When I was reading an article about Dubai tourism, there is a lot of people going from India. So I thought, Make My Trip is not the only solution. There is also alternatives such as BOTIM app, which you can, which I'll be sharing my screen through my mobile screen and showing you guys on how to apply visa through BOTIM app. It's very simple, guys. So you don't have to worry at all. So when it comes to BOTIM app, the fees is almost going to be same, which I'm going to share my screen and show you guys on what's going to be the fee structure and what's going to be exactly what documents is required, and do you need flight tickets, do you not need flight tickets. I'll be showing everything, so please do not skip this video. Try to watch this video till the end to gain maximum information as possible. So when you speak about Make My Trip, I had also made, like I said, I had made a few videos. You can check out that as well. If you're not satisfied with BOTIM, you can check out Make My Trip, or if you feel Make My Trip is you've already done something and you want to apply to your friends or relatives, you can easily go to BOTIM app, which is completely free. And once again, there's no need to reach out to any consultancies or agencies outside and give them extra money to get your Dubai visa. BOTIM is completely safe, just like Make My Trip, and a lot of people, even I took my Dubai visa through Make My Trip. So you can just visit BOTIM app and you can apply for your visa, and visa is directly going to come to you, and you can download from the app or you'll get an email. So I'll just be sharing my screen and showing you guys the step-by-step process on how to apply Dubai visa through BOTIM app. Hey guys, I hope you can see my mobile screen. So once you go to Play Store or Apple Store and Android or iOS respectively, so I've already installed the BOTIM app, else you have to install and just open the BOTIM app. So once you open the BOTIM app, click on Explore option, and once you click on Explore, you can see their visit visa. Just click on apply visit visa and then you can see new visa. So just select new visa there and just select your nationality, that is Indian. So once you select India, and you can see there's a lot of options like single entry, multiple entry, etc. So when I select single entry, there's 30 days, 60 days, express visa, and within 24 to 72 hours. So you can also see what documents is required for you to upload. And once you select the required adult, or whether it is child or etc., and then you can just go back on your screen, that is for the week visa package, to choose whether 60 or 90 days, and then 30 or 60 days, sorry, and then you can go to multiple entry. So you have an option of single entry and multiple entry, and also this particular visa also gives you the option where the medical insurance is already included. So you can see the total amount is 950 AED including insurance. So you can see that the insurance is already included. So you can choose accordingly. Like for example, I'll just go back to the screen showing India, and you can see here you have single entry, multiple entry, and you can choose them, choose the document accordingly. And once you upload your passport, the other steps are very simple. You can see personal details and service and payment. So you can just review and payment, you can just select that accordingly and make your particular payment. So you're going to get the visa in the time slotted, that is around 24 hours to 72 hours, or the express visa, or the normal time, whatever it takes. Hey guys, so as you saw in my video, that is the simple way to apply Dubai visa through BOTIM app, and it is completely safe. Like I said, a lot of people have already applied, and I'm only making this video upon review from a lot of people. So you don't have to worry about how it's going to be, or is it safe or not. It's completely safe. And if you have any questions on this video, please do ping me on Instagram for instant response, or comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you guys as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video.